Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be learning how to blend two colors in acrylics, which is the cobalt teal and white. This cobalt teal is one of my favorite colors from acrylics because it is so soothing and beautiful to see. So in today's demo, I will show you how to blend this on acrylic paper, which is basically anything above 400 GSM. So it really helps you to hold the colors in together and it doesn't seep in through. So you can also do this on canvas if you like. So we'll start off with taking a nice squeeze of the teal color on the top and a little bit of white at the bottom. So I want the ombre effect to go from teal to white. So observe how I'm holding the brush. I'm just dipping it in a little bit of water, making sure it's wet but it's not too wet. So I'm removing the excess water. And now I'm just taking the blue color and going in a swift motion left to right. So the strokes of your brush is very important over here, and make sure that you go in the direction that you need. So here I'm going left to right. You can also go top to bottom if you want. That will give you a slightly different effect. So I've mixed a little bit of white and I'm blending it by going towards the top, and then I'm going to just move my brush across left to right till the bottom. So you can see that it's created a very beautiful blend from teal to like a mid-tone, and then it's going to a very light version of it. So acrylics is a lot of fun to work with. It's one of the most versatile mediums because there is a lot of room for you to make mistakes and then fix it again. Since it is quick dry and it also is a permanent paint, you can paint over it multiple times. So I hope today's quick video was useful for you, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye bye.